up YouTube? Today we're gonna replace a front and rear brakes, brake pads of a Honda car. It applies to all Honda cars. This is 2010 up to 2015 model. So get your 14mm wrench, locate the bottom bolt here, and turn it counterclockwise. And this is the bolt that we want. Slide this up, slide this out, and we rest here. We have a new thick pads. We have to push this back, but first we have to, the brake fluid will flow back to this fluid tank. We have to remove this. We have to get our old brake pads out. Just put it on the floor because we're gonna match it. We don't want brake pads interchanging. Now we're gonna look for the exact match. Don't forget to add grease on the holes. It will prevent squeaks. Don't let the grease touch the actual brake pads. Now we put this comes with brake pads if you buy genuine brake pads. So let's do the other side. On the second one, since the supplied grease is not enough, if you can find one of these Permatex brake parts cleaner lubricant, prevent squeals, you can add a little bit more here. And put the cover, the backing plate. If you have a brake cleaner, you can clean those notches, all four. Apply the lubricant here, only here, so it will slide freely. This will touches this part. Snap that back in. This is thick and this is thin. We have to compensate by pushing this, so this would fit here. Get one of that old ones and buy this at 99 cents. So we're gonna be pushing the caliper back, and as you gently push this, gently push it, gently turn it, you will see that the brake fluid's level is coming up because you're pushing the brake fluid. So we put this back together. We're almost done, but for extra work, which is important, you need to have the silicone paste to re-grease the slide pin. See, it's dark, and also here and also here. First we have to remove this bolt. The pin, and carefully get one of this rubber boot. There you go. The one on top. These are the guide pins, these are the boot, and this is the other one. So we'll just have to clean it and apply this grease. Cleaning, you have to inspect for any cracks. See, the old and wear out grease comes out. It's black. Clean the inside part with rag as well. Now let's apply the grease liberally, and I'm gonna insert it here. This will have some grease inside. And also here. let's put this back again. Sure there's some play, movements, more grease, silicone I mean. Now we just have to slide this back. Then replace the 14 mm. So let's tighten the bolt. Just pass hand tight. Now if you want to make sure, you can tighten it to according to the specs, 35 foot-pounds. Hear the click. Then torque to 94 foot-pounds.